So 240 multicolored LED flashing light chain, battery operated, so very safe. 6 AA batteries, you have to include those ones, and 8 light modes. Timer function, indoor or outdoor use. And this is what we have done. 14.5 meters on our 1 foot Christmas tree.
one yard, it's 30, it's 3
Oh no,
yards.
sorry, 3 feet and 1 yard, 1 meter. I don't think even the Times Square in the New York has such a thing. White House probably doesn't have anything like that. Tokyo, London, Leicester Square. I don't think even Buckingham Palace has such so much light. We were really worried that the airplanes may try to land here. This looks like an airplane landing strip. Oh, this is amazing. And how much we paid for this flashing lights? £8. In John Lewis, that was around £25.
You bought them for £8?
£8, yeah.
Oh my goodness. For 200 little lights.
140.
140.
240, sorry.
240 little lights.
240.
Oh, that's amazing.
Colored LED.
That is amazing.
That's a good value for money. So if I press this button, different functions of it will be activated. So there's a button here, and it can go steadily on. It can just flash. If I press it, it goes all on. If I do it, look, it just blinks. If I do it like that, they go on for a while, the green and yellow, white, green and blue. Now it goes like that, flash. It goes again, it stays on all the time. Oh, that's really, yeah, go slightly dim, then turn off, then turn on. LED is a magical thing. Thanks to the scientists who invented it in 1940s, 50s. Semiconductor. So here I've turned off all the other lights and just let this multicolor, for 240 multicolor colored LED flashing lights from the Morrisons for £8. That looks beautiful. We have a lot of other lights, but we didn't know that this light is much better than all of them.
We'll have to get you a bigger